This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You will start by checking essentials. Make sure the device is on the same Wi-Fi or wired network you plan to test. Once done, stop torrenting or large uploads so results are clear. Next, open Settings on Windows, Mac OS System Preferences, or your phone's Wi-Fi page. This gets you to the connection details. You're taking these steps because background traffic skews results and because some tools require knowing whether you're on 4 GHz, 5 GHz, or Ethernet. You'll now run the actual test. Open a trusted Speedtest site or app and choose the nearest server. This reduces latency and gives truer throughput numbers. Start the test, watch the download and upload bars, then run it 2 more times, once for consistency and once with another device idle. Make sure to note the ping and compare the averages. Doing multiple runs and noting the time explains why speeds vary during peak hours versus quiet times. Finally, interpret your numbers. Compare average download and upload Mbps with what your plan advertises. If results are low, reboot your modem and router first, then test on a wired connection and switch between 5 GHz and 4 GHz to isolate Wi-Fi issues. If the problem persists, call your ISP and give them the test times, servers, and averages. They can check line quality. One tip: if speeds fluctuate wildly, check for interference or too many connected.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.